Hey everyone, this is our...
Ours?
Not ours, no, this is our review is what I was going to say.
Our second review.
Our second review of our mate's brother's car. So they've let us borrow it for the morning and we've driven it up to Jolly's Lookout. It's a pretty cool car, like it's not fast by any means, but it's not made to be fast.
Do you know what year it is, Matt?
No idea. Do you know what year it is?
No.
But I do know that it's a 1 litre, 4-cylinder, 5-speed manual.
So it's big in comparison motor-wise to the Mirror.
Yeah, so it's bigger.
So is this still classed as a K car then?
I'm not sure. Is it?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Well, technically there was no K cars class in Australia, but
yeah,
it was obviously designed in Japan.
Yeah, it was designed to get around small roads and towns and carry things, hence the name Suzuki Carry.
I mean, we can't really speak to him too much because he's in another country.
Yeah.
But he's basically done a ground-up restore of everything. Nothing like show car-wise, but just paint, motor, suspension, you know, just sort of the basic stuff to get it back to
a nice car to drive. Like it's really clean. The motor runs real nice and smooth, and yeah, it's a cool little car. I like it a lot.
I don't think the information's that important. I think it's more like how interesting they are.
Yeah, it's not a car that's made to go fast. It's a car to show off your personality. Like that's what I think anyway. Like
the stickers especially.
He's made this car to suit his needs and what he likes, and it's cool.
It's perfect.
It's perfect. Perfect representation of how a key car should be built.
It's just K.
K?
It's not key.
Okay, key.
Not key.
K.
K. It's spelled key.
Said K.
Said K.
Okay.
Let's go take it for a drive.
Yeah.